Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Matit Yahu, Matthew, chapter 11. And it came to pass when Yehoshua had made an end of commanding his 12 Talmidim, he departed from there to teach and preach in their cities. Now when Yochanan had heard of the work of the Mashiach in the prison, he sent 2 of his Talmidim. And they asked him, "Are you he who will come, or do we look for another?" Yehoshua answered and said to them, "Go again and show Yochanan the things that you hear and see. The blind receive their sight, and the lame walk. The lepers are cleansed, and the deaf hear. The dead are raised up, and the poor have the gospel preached to them. And blessed are those who are not offended by me." Then, as they departed, Yehoshua began to say to the multitudes concerning Yochanan, "What did you go out into the wilderness to see? A reed shaken by the wind? But what did you go to see? A man clothed in soft garments? Behold, those who wear soft garments are in kings' houses. But what did you go out to see? A prophet? Yes, I say to you, and more than a prophet. For this is whom it was written, 'Behold, I send my messenger before your face, who will prepare your way before you.' Verily I say to you, among those who are born of women, there was not risen a greater than Yochanan the Immerser. However, he who is least in the kingdom of the heavens is greater than he. And from the days of Yochanan the Immerser until now, the kingdom of the heavens suffers violence, and the violent take it by force. For all the prophets and the teaching prophesied until Yochanan, and if you will receive it, this is Eliyahu, who had come before. He who has ears to hear, let him hear. Therefore, unto what should I compare this generation? It is similar to children sitting in the markets and calling to their fellows, and saying, 'We have piped for you, but you have not danced. We have mourned for you, but you have not lamented.' For Yochanan came neither eating nor drinking, yet they say, 'He has a devil.' The Son of Man came eating and drinking, yet they say, 'Behold, a gluttonous man, and a winebibber, a friend of publicans and sinners.' But wisdom is justified of her children." Then he began to reproach the cities in which most of his mighty works were done, because they did not repent. "Woe to you, Chorazin! Woe to you, Beit Ziada! For if the mighty works which were done in you had been done in Zur and Zidun, they would have repented long ago in sackcloth and ashes. But I say to you, it will be more tolerable in Zur and Zidun at the day of judgment than for you. And you, Capernaum, which is exalted to the heavens, shall be brought down to hell. For if the mighty works which had been done in you had been done in Sedum, it would have remained until this day. But I say to you, it will be more tolerable for the land of Sedum in the day of judgment than for you." At that time Yehoshua answered and said, "I thank you, O Father, creator of the heavens and earth, because you have hidden these things from the wise and prudent, and have revealed them to babes. Even so, Father, for so it seemed good in your sight. All things are delivered to me of my Father, and no man knows the Son but the Father. Neither knows any man the Father except the Son, and to whoever the Son reveals. Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn of me, for I am meek and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls, because my yoke is easy and my burden is light.